Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namo Narayanaya, Jai Shri Ram. Welcome back to the Glaze Studio. I'm sitting in front of the Sri Vishnu Sahasranamavali painting, and it's going to be a short update on this. So as you might know, this painting also has a sub-painting attached to it, and that was the Hayagreva painting, which got completed recently. That's how it looks right now. And with that being done, the focus now shifts back to our Sri Vishnu Sahasranamavali painting. I've been working on it in terms of writing the names. And what is now really pending is to work on some more details, the finesse and such, on the body of the painting itself. And as you can see, the writing is now starting to hit where the painting is. So it's going to come in between or through or something like that. But with practice right now, I have figured out how to write about 20 names within 1 hour. So I am now at 280th name that I have finished writing. And the plan is to take about 60 more hours. That is my estimate, that it will take about 60 more hours approximately for me to finish writing 1,000 names. There's also a few changes that I made with the strategy on how I'm writing. Like when I started out, I just wanted to use English transliteration, but somewhere down the lane, I started understanding that, if I have to save space and make sure that I have space enough for 1,000, then it would mean that I could also use exact Sanskrit words for Om and Namaha. So replacing the Sanskrit terms directly, and people who can read will, start reading the Om and Namaha in English. But as the names progress intuitively, when the script itself changes, it'll be, though the script changes, intuitively you begin to understand, oh, that must be the Om and that must be the Namaha and such. So that's how I strategize to, continue writing in this space, and also it saves time, number one. Number two, it saves space. So it will help to fulfill the commitment of 1,000 names inside this, I guess. So that's what is going on. One other, I wouldn't say a bigger challenge, is a tinier challenge, is that the brush itself that I'm using is a micro brush, and it needs replacing frequently. So I can see that even if I try to work on that old brush, which isn't old, it sort of, shows that it's not perfect. So I'm having to switch. So I have to buy frequently. That's one minute detail, I would say. Otherwise, it's all fine. This 60 hours of work, of course, one can try to do it at a stretch or over a few weeks, many hours and such, but the effectivity, I'm not sure whether it will be that good. So I would rather spread across 60 days, giving 1 hour per day, and take it slow and steady, and then have a quality work done. That's about it, I guess. The next steps, at least for this quarter, is that to start, working on publishing Hayagreva painting. There must be photo shoots so that we have high quality images done, and it's ready for the prints. And that will itself, its post-production does take a while. And that focus is to be there, and then this as well. So this will be the main projects, at least for the first quarter of this year. And there might be something new coming up from my guru, and he is yet to advise me on what exactly is that. So maybe we might start that. Otherwise, it's all Sri Vishnu Sahasranamavali for this quarter. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namo Narayanaya. Jai Shri Ram. Stay blessed, stay happy, stay healthy, stay motivated. Thank you. Bye-bye.